Hello friends, I am Tia and you are watching my Little Green Corridor. Today I am going to show you some repotting of my orchid plants. You can see new shoots that have developed from here, and this pot is very small. So I will repot them into this pot. Here I have taken coco peat and some coal. Coco peat and coal, this is the media we use for orchid plants. Here my orchid plants are in coconut shell. You can see that. I bought them like this. These are over 1 year old at my place, and they have given me 2 to 3 sticks from each plant. And now I am repotting them so that this new shoot can develop well. Okay friends, let's see. First we will take out some these shells, coconut shells. Here. Okay, you have seen that I have taken all the coconut shell out, and I will pot this in this coco peat. I have taken coco peat in maximum amount so that my plant gets moisture throughout the day. Here in our place, summer is very harsh. So if we want to keep our orchid plant in good health and good condition, then we should use this. Okay, see, it's done. Now I will take another. In this plant also you can see new shoots are coming out. This is a very simple procedure, and any one of us can do this at our place. It is very hard to keep orchid plants live in this harsh summer. We have to keep two things in mind, that we should not overwater this plant because we are planting this in coco peat, and coco peat holds moisture, so we will not overwater this plant, and again we will keep it moist. It should not become dry also. These two things are very important for orchid plants. Well, I am not that so experienced for orchid plants, but I am trying, and I will show you the development in my later videos. For orchid plants, we should use NKP as fertilizer. Sorry, NPK as fertilizer. We have to fertilize, we have to spray those NPK in 1 liter bottle. We will use 10 drops and or 1 tablespoon and mix it very well and spray this on the leaves. This is the only way we can fertilize these plants. Well, you can see these plants' roots are stuck with this coconut shell. It is very hard, but let's see how it works. Okay, it's quite hard to bring out all the shell, so I will plant it as it is. I am very scared that the plant might break down. These are our orchid pots. I will tie thread here and hang them. This plant is already planted in coco pit, and and you can see new shoots are coming out. These are all old sticks. I will not bring this out. I will keep it as it is. Okay friends, so this is what I have done today, and I don't know how it will work. Let's hope for the best. This is my first time for these plants. I have never repotted orchid plants, so let's hope for the best that my plants live healthy and bloom. Okay, thank you for today, and if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.